name is Chaba. My name is Chaba. Seme Manako. Chaba is people's language Hazabe. Akwati Toma, my name is Chaba, language Hazabe Chaba. My name is Chaba, language Hazabe. Bepe Bawa.
Good morning and welcome to Ghetto Fame TV Network. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. This is to help our channel to grow, and we are also available in all social media platforms as Ghetto Fame TV Network. Yo, hayi cha isitheko sacaba man, it's one of those theko tsela tse leng gore even if you are moody, even if mhlambe awuzimiselanga ukuthi uhleke, but indlela ucaba hleka ngayo, it can makes you laugh and just become in love with a lifestyle nje ebayiphilako. Like they are soul free man, abanankinga, like abana stress sento eziningi. Like it's a very very nice lifestyle ebaziphilela yona, ilife enganama technology ngaphakathi, enga-involve izinto eziphathisana stress. So I've seen abantu abaningi like bamjabulela ucaba, they are following ucaba, they are following ama-content kacaba. So I just wish ukuthi mhlambe ngale mali bazoyenza because of ama-content la azokwenza imali eningi for sure. Even now sekaqalile enza imali eningi kabi. So I just wish ukuthi mhlambe bayabanika nabo something, but I do believe ukuthi mhlambe bayabathengela ukudla, bayabahambisa kuma-function. We don't know, we will just do our investigation and then sibuye sikutshele ukuthi mhlambe in terms of royalties abocaba babenefita kanjani kulama content laba. Thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely day.